Hi guys, welcome to Cosmic Health. So today we're going to make a green smoothie. This is a great way to get some protein and a bunch of minerals and fiber into your diet. And it's a great way to start off your day. So, I drink this a lot of times in the morning. It's a good way to start off my day. So, to start off, you got to get your blender. We're going to have some greens, any green if you want. Right now all I have is like a mixed green thing, but spinach, lettuce, kale, bok choy, anything, any kind of green is good. Then you need some kind of fruit. Right now I have banana, got some grapes, and some pineapple. Alright, so start off, first thing you want to do is put the greens into the blender. It's your choice on what you want to put. I usually put about a handful. Then cover that with water. Right here I have fresh spring water collected from a spring near my area. Best water possible. It's great. So I'm just going to basically cover the greens a bit with water. And from there I want to blend these completely. So I'm going to cover it. You don't want it to cook and get too hot, so I'm just going to start and stop it a bit. If you have a really good blender like a Blendec or a Vitamix blender, those things will get rid of this in seconds, but I don't have that. They're expensive, so any blender will do. You just got to take a little longer. And you don't want to keep it running the whole time because you don't want it to kind of cook the food because it heats up from the speed. So I'm just going to go. Okay. The idea here is you want to break down the cell wall of the greens. So you want to look at your greens. You want to make sure there's no little bits floating around. If there's bits, the cells are still there. Greens contain a lot of protein. Most people don't know that. So eating salads, lettuce, things like that is a great source of protein. The problem is that most of the protein and the nutrients, other nutrients, are inside the cell wall. And through de-evolution, our bodies can't break down, our teeth are not strong enough to break down the cell wall. So that's why we're blending it. So by blending it here, I'm breaking down the cell wall, releasing all the inner nutrients, all the proteins from the cell. Right here, just eating greens during your day is enough to get all your daily protein you need. Unlike what some people say, you don't need like 5 chicken breasts or whatever people say. Okay, because this is a purest source of protein. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that now. So, I got this good base. Right there, I'm going to add the banana. Banana is a great base for any smoothie because it just gives it a nice consistency and kind of blends well with the greens. Okay, I'll throw in some grapes. You can do any fruit you want. You don't have to do any fruit if you don't want to, but it makes it taste really good, so that's why I do that. Okay, you can also add lots of extra superfoods, which we haven't talked much about, I'll get into later. You can throw in all kinds of extra little supplementary foods to really get extra nutrients in the system, just to make it a super drink. I'm not going to do that right now, but we'll get to that later. Okay, so okay, and there we have a green smoothie. Depending on what you put in, it might not necessarily actually be green, but the point is you're getting the greens in the smoothie. Here, just get a glass. actually really good. So, great way to start your morning, get in all that nutrients. Great for breakfast. Instead of drinking coffee or something, or tea, it's a great way to just get that nutrients in your body, get you going, and gives you lots of protein. Okay, so there you have it. I encourage you to play it, do your own thing, kind of make your own recipes, mix it up, blend it how you want, and try it. I mean, try 1 week to drink it every day, and you'll see the differences right away. Not only will it get you all that nutrients, but the amazing thing about this drink is that I'm not sure how, but it somehow sets your body up to want a raw food diet. A lot of people have trouble with raw foods because the body's not used to it. They're used to cooked food, and the raw food is not as filling, you could say. But drinking green smoothies every day, your body will get used to it, and eventually it'll want more nutritious foods, more raw foods, and you'll be able to take it a lot easier. Especially things that people find disgusting, like just drinking lettuce juice or something like that. You drink these, your body will start craving lettuce juice and enjoy it, and things will be great. You'll start loving the food that heals your body. Okay, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.